Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. I just completed installing granite countertops and it looks amazing. It looks awesome. Look at that. So this is the island with this granite, and it's got that granite sink, and then I got the other side that goes on like that with the 3-inch backsplash. That looks really cool. So it looks like that. Everything turned out super nice. Yep, it looks like that. So just wanted to share with you guys. My counters are installed, and then I just got one hole right here for the faucet, and it looks fantastic. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. It looks very nice. All right, just sharing. So that cabinet looks that color, and then the countertops looks this color. So it matches really well. I love it. Thank you guys. Subscribe, follow if you want to see more about this.